So, the other day, I sit around and look at my channel and thinking about it's time for a change. In the last 3 years, I tried to build this channel as a portrait photographer because that is what I like to do. But with time, I realized some things about me. The first thing that I realized is that I'm a multi-passionate person. That means I can do one thing and one thing only. The second thing that I realized is that I love photography. But not only portrait photography, I like different genres of photography. And the third thing that I realized is that I love YouTube. Before, I never think that I want to be a YouTuber. I just want to be a portrait photographer on YouTube. But now, I learn for myself that I really like YouTube. I love the process to making videos. Yes, even the editing. I have 3 channels now on YouTube and neither of them is monetized. But I still learn a lot from doing them. And the last thing that I realized for myself is that I really like the idea to make some side income from my creativity. If you recognize yourself in some of my revelations, maybe you should subscribe to the channel and let's learn and grow together. Why I'm telling you all of that? Because I decided to set a challenge for myself and for this channel. And the challenge is, can I get this channel monetized for 12 weeks? I know all of you knows the requirements to get monetized, but still let me tell you, 1K subs and 4,000 hours watch time, which is a lot. And the challenge is to get them in this channel in the next 12 weeks. I know that I have 500 subscribers in this channel right now, but by changing everything in this channel, I think that I can lose some of them or even all of them, I don't know. But this is the risk that I'm ready to take. About the watch hours, I really have no idea how I can do that. But we'll see. To do this challenge, I set some goals for myself. The first one is that in the next 12 weeks, I must upload minimum 1 video every week. But here is the catch. It must be different from the video about the challenge. So, this means I need to upload 2 videos every week. The next goal for this challenge I did in the beginning of the video, when I answered the question why I want to be on YouTube, what I want to do on YouTube, and the most important question for me, who are the people that I want to connect here on this platform, on YouTube, and especially in this channel. And these are creative people who want to develop their creativity and share it with the world through YouTube. So this means you need to grow your channel to do that. And if you want to learn and grow together, subscribe to this channel.